Hey guys, so I have in my hands the very first upgrade or mod or whatever you want to call it for my new Ford F-150. And what it is, it's like a piston shock absorber doohickey thing that goes in there that takes all the pressure off this tailgate, you know, from going down. That's all me having to lift and hold it. So let's get this thing open and see if it works. This is it. The Dee Zee Tailgate Assist for F-150 from 2015 to current. And that is the model number, DZ43204. And now let's get in this box. Right. So we've got the piston, the hardware. I don't know what that is. Looks like we might have some instructions here. Loctite. Instructions. We don't need it. No, actually we do. Just kidding. All right. Got that. So very well written, spelled out, photos. Talks about what to do on the side plate. Need a 10mm wrench. Remove that one. Don't remove that one, but do loosen it. Put in the plate. Put in the screw. Ah, like that. Well, that looks simple enough. Let's get started. Let's get this out of the way. Just won't put any more pressure on it. Leave it like it is. Let's loosen this. Now somebody mentioned you could plasti dip these to protect it, but I'm just going with factory. Here it is, January 6th, 2019, and I want to see how it's going to work. Just the way it is. If at some point I decide I want to go back and put the plasti dip on there, I can always take it off. It looks pretty simple. Let's put this back out of the way. Pretty simple. Come check this out. Get the camera set up here. There. Gotta make sure we're taking the right thing apart. Let's see what we got here. Okay. This. All right, pretty simple so far. This end is gonna be on the bottom. The other one is gonna go up top. So let's see how I can multitask this. Got that there. pull that other end down. Set this back down here. I'm going to attach that, just like that. Now, I'm going to reattach cable. And let's test it out. We've got all these tools out of the way. Okay, so there you can see. Let's turn that around. Yeah, it's okay. I'm not gonna worry about it. See if it works. Okay, it's shut easy enough. Oh, by the way, what you didn't see there, check this out. Awesome. Okay, one more time. Let's back it up. This is pretty cool. Check it out. I like that. No resistance at all going back up. No heavy tailgate to hold as it comes down. I'll put the link to where I got it on Amazon down in the comments below. If you like the video, do me a favor. Give it a thumbs up. Make sure you click subscribe, and more importantly, click that little bell so you'll be notified the next time one of these little helpful videos goes live. I like that. No resistance at all going back up.